This project reconnected and restored 1,100 feet of an old remnant channel and about 6 acres of floodplain on the Sammamish River. So I think everybody knows back in the glory days, the Army Corps of Engineers came out here and said, we don't want curvy streams, we want straight ones because they convey water. And so there used to be a lot of side channels throughout the Sammamish River Valley. And so, this project is expected to benefit juvenile Chinook and coho salmon, as well as other fish species, amphibians, and wildlife. But there are efforts across the region to try to fix this corridor is a vital corridor for the recovery of Chinook salmon, as well as other supporting other species. So it's a huge deal.
So this restoration project ensures protected and restored habitat for juvenile salmon, giving them a safe place to spawn. And by restoring this habitat for spawning salmon, we're creating a domino effect. So a safe place to spawn means more salmon, which could mean more orca, which contributes to Puget Sound health. And also, a healthy salmon population and a healthy community are intertwined. This is a special place, and it's prime evidence of how people and salmon can make a difference on the landscape.
On behalf of Bellevue and Lake Sammamish, which we just finally completed and finally got Ecology to approve after 7 years our new shoreline master plan. And one of the big battles we had was with the Sammamish River and the level of the lake and how do we keep that all working together. And I think through that we learned that it's not just we get our people in the lake to understand, just not focusing on the lake itself is what's important, it's the whole system. And this is a very, very important piece, and this means a lot to us in Bellevue to have this river managed well and keeping the Sammamish Lake Sammamish going and the river and the whole connection. So again, this is something very important to Bothell, but what Bothell has done for the region is tremendous, and congratulations to that, and congratulations to the leadership of both Andy and Davina for making this happen, and all the staff. Thank you.